Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify automate scheduling with Calendly and Google Calendar. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have both Calendly and Google Calendar accounts set up. Log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, navigate to the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. Select Google Calendar from the list of available integrations. Click the Connect button to link your Google Calendar to Calendly. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. After the connection is established, you'll see options to customize your event settings. Choose which Google Calendar you want to use for your scheduled events. You can also select how to handle new events created by Calendly. Decide if you want to automatically add new events to your calendar. Next, go back to your Calendly dashboard. Create a new event or edit an existing one. Set your event details, including date, time, and duration. Under the availability settings, adjust when you want to be available for scheduling. Once you've configured the event settings, click Save to apply your changes. Now, share your Calendly link with others to allow them to book time with you. When someone schedules an event, it will automatically appear on your Google Calendar. Make sure to check your Google Calendar to confirm that the events are being added. Repeat this process for any additional event types you wish to create. You have successfully automated scheduling between Calendly and Google Calendar. Enjoy seamless scheduling without the back-and-forth emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.